Hello everyone, myself Deepak Shah from New Catholic Mission School Jhabua, and today's topic is for class 12 chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function. In my previous video we discussed about some basics of inverse trigonometric functions and exercise 2.1. Now we move towards next topic that is some properties of inverse trigonometric functions. These properties means some formulas of inverse trigonometric functions. So we start some basic formulas. Sine inverse sine theta equals to theta. Cos inverse cos theta equals to theta. Tan inverse tan theta equals to theta, and so on. Same is for cosec inverse, sec inverse and cot inverse. Okay. So these are 6 formulas for theta, sine inverse sine theta. Similarly, sine inverse x equals to x. Cos inverse x equals to x. Tan inverse x equals to x. Cosec inverse x equals to x, and so on. These are for sec and cot also. So these are the some properties which we use in our next exercise, next topic. So these are the formulas. Similarly, some more properties. Main property is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Sine inverse and cos inverse, tan inverse and cot inverse equals to also pi by 2, and cosec inverse and sec inverse is also pi by 2. So these are 3 more properties. Now some formulas which are very important for next exercise. Formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Next is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x y. 2 tan inverse x. This is equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Some more formulas for 2 tan inverse x. Another formula is sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, and it is also in the form of cos 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So these are the formulas for 2 tan inverse x, and tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. And some basic formulas of class 11th also we use. Cos 2 theta, very important formula. 2 cos inverse x minus 1, also 1 minus 2 sine inverse 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square x or 2 cos square theta minus 1, and 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and cos square theta minus sine square theta. These are 3 formulas for cos 2 theta, and also sine 2 theta. For sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta. So these are this basic formulas which we use in our next exercise. So now we move towards next exercise, exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2, question number 1 from NCERT book. Exercise 2.2, question number 1. Question number 1 is given as solve the following, prove the following. Prove the following. And the question is 3 sine inverse x equals to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. That is given. So what we will do? We take RHS, right hand side. Okay. So right hand side is sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Now let x equals to sine theta. We put x equals to sine theta here. So we get sine inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. We all know that this is the formula of sine 3 theta. So we write it as sine inverse sine 3 theta. And we also know that sine inverse sine theta equals to theta. Therefore, sine inverse sine 3 theta equals to only 3 theta. Okay, and value of theta, we take value of theta from this. So sine inverse x equals to theta. Therefore, this is 3 sine inverse x. LHS equals to RHS. This is all about question number 1. Now, next question is question number 3. Tan inverse 2 by 11. Question number 3 is tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equals to tan inverse 1 by 2. So we take LHS tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. Okay. Now this is the formula, this is the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay. And we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So we write it as tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Okay. So now we take LCM. 11 into 24, it's 264. Okay. So 11 multiply of 24 into plus multiply of 11 in this. In here also 264 and 264 minus 14. These two cancel. So we get tan inverse 24 into 2, 48 plus 77 upon 264 minus 14 is 250. Tan inverse 48 plus 77, 8, 7, 15, carry 1, 5, 7, 12. It's 125 upon 250, 1, 2. So tan inverse 1 by 2 LHS equals to RHS. Okay. Now next question, question number 4. Question number 4. It's 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equals to tan inverse 31 by 17. So first we solve this. This is in the form of 2 tan inverse x, and the formula of 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So here value of x is 1 by 2. So tan inverse 2x, x is 1 by 2 upon 1 minus x square. This term as it is, as we take LHS. So this is tan inverse 2 by 2 upon 4 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. So tan inverse 1 upon 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. 2 cancel by 2. So it is 1 upon 3 by 4. We write it as tan inverse 4 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now we use formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. The formula is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x y. LCM 21, 3, so multiply is 7, multiply of 7 in this 4 plus 1 into 3 upon 21 minus 4 upon 21. This 21 cancel and the answer is tan inverse 28 plus 3, 31 upon 17. LHS equals to RHS. Okay. Now next is question number 5. Question number 5 is prove the following, write the following functions in simplest form. We have to change the functions in simplest form. Simplest form. So question number 5th, tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. This is the question and we have to solve it and change into simplest form. So we take x equals to tan theta. Okay, x equals to tan theta, we assume it. So tan inverse root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Okay, this is trigonometric identity. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, and if we remove this root, then we get sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Okay, now we change this sec theta into 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta upon cos theta. Take LCM, cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta cancel. So tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. Now some formulas. As we know that cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta. And if we take half of this angle theta by 2, then we get 1 minus cos theta. So value of 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, and similarly sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. So if we take half angle of this sin 2 theta as sin theta only, so it is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So value of sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cancel by 2 and 1 sin cancel by 1 sin. So it becomes tan inverse sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2, and tan inverse tan theta by 2. And we also know that tan inverse tan theta equals to theta. So tan inverse tan theta by 2 means theta by 2, and we assume x as tan theta. We assume x as tan theta. Therefore tan inverse x equals to theta. So we put value of theta as tan inverse x here. Okay. So we get 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Okay. Value of this theta by 2. 1 by 2 and value of theta is tan inverse x. So this is the simplest form of given question. Now next question is question number 7. Question number 7, tan inverse root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Okay, so cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is the formula. So if we take half angle as cos theta, so here 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. 1 is in LHS, so 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Similarly, cos 2 theta, another formula is cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. If we take half angle, then cos theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 sin square theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos theta. So these are the two values. One is for 1 minus cos theta and one is for 1 plus cos theta. So if we change theta as x, then we get 1 plus cos x and 1 minus cos x values. So tan inverse root 1 minus cos x, value of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 upon value of 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancel by 2 and root and square we remove, then we get sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, and we know that sin upon cos is tan. So tan inverse tan x by 2, and also we know tan inverse tan theta equals to theta. So tan inverse tan x by 2 is equals to x by 2. This is the simplest form of this question. Now next question. Question number 8. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. What we will do? We take cos x common from numerator. So if we take cos x common, then we get 1 minus sin x upon cos x. Okay, and here also we take cos x common, so we get 1 plus sin x upon cos x. Cos x cancel by cos x, and this becomes 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. We know that value of 1 in tan is tan pi by 4, tan 45 degrees. So tan inverse, we write 1 as tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon, we put 1 as 1 plus, and we know that this tan x is in multiply with 1, because all numbers are with multiply with 1. So we take this one as tan pi by 4 and it is tan x. Why we do this? Because we make formula of tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y equals to tan x minus y. Okay, this is the formula of tan x minus y. So this question is also in this form, tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. So tan inverse tan x minus y, here x is pi by 4 and y is x, and tan inverse tan x is x, so only pi by 4 minus x remains. This is the answer. Okay, now next question, question number 11. Question number 11, find the value of the following: tan inverse 2 cos, then bracket 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Okay. First sin inverse 1 by 2. We know that sin pi by 6 equals to 1 by 2. Okay, pi by 6 means 30 degrees. So sine 30 degree equals to 1 by 2 or pi by 6 equals to sine inverse 1 by 2. This is in RHS. So sine inverse 1 by 2, value of sine inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So tan inverse 2 cos 2 and value of sine inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So pi by 6. So tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 equals to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree, value of cos 60 degree is also 1 by 2. So tan inverse 2 and value is 1 by 2. These two cancel. So only tan inverse 1 remain. And value of 1 in tan is 10 pi by 4. So tan inverse tan theta equals to theta. Answer is pi by 4. Okay. Now next question number 13. Question number 13. Tan inverse 1 by 2 sine inverse 2x upon 1 minus 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Okay. We know that sine inverse 2 theta upon 2x upon 1 plus x square is the formula of 2 tan inverse x. Okay. So directly we write sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square as 2 tan inverse x plus one more formula is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square is equals to 2 tan inverse x. So at the place of x we have y. So cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square equals to 2 tan inverse y. So we directly write it as 2 tan inverse y. Take 2 common. So 1 into 2 common from these two terms. So in bracket we have only tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. 2 cancel by 2. So tan inverse and in, so there is only 10, okay, not tan inverse. So only tan is here and in bracket we have tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x square. Tan inverse theta equal tan inverse x equals to x. So these two cancel. So x plus y upon 1 minus x square is the answer of question number 13. Now question number 15. Question number 15. If tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 equals to pi by 4, then find the value of x. We have to find the value of this x. So this is x and this is y. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y equals to pi by 4. This tan inverse is in RHS and we take LCM of these two. So x minus 2, x plus 2 is LCM, cross multiplication, x minus 1, x plus 2 plus x plus 1, x minus 2, and in denominator also x minus 2, x plus 2 is LCM, and this is x minus 2, x plus 2 minus x minus 1, x plus 1 equals to 10 pi by 4. This tan inverse is in RHS. Now these two cancel. So x minus 1 into x plus 2. So it is x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 plus x square minus 2x plus x and minus 2 upon, this is x square minus 4 plus minus x square minus 1 and equals to 1. Okay. So this 2x cancel by 2x, x cancel by x. So x square plus x square, it is 2x square, minus 2 minus 4 upon x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1 equals to 1. So x square cancel by x square, it is 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 equals to 1. So 2x square minus 4 equals to minus 3 and 2x square equals to minus 3 plus 4. 2x square equals to 1 or x square equals to 1 by 2 or x equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. So these are the two values of x. One is plus 1 by root 2 and second is minus 1 by root 2. Now question number 16, sine inverse. Sine 2 pi by 3, we write it as sine inverse sine pi minus pi by 3 and we know that sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So it is sine pi by 3 or sine inverse sine theta equals to theta. So the value is pi by 3. This is question number 16. Okay. So similarly you can solve some more questions like 17th, 18th and this is all about exercise 2.2. Okay. Thank you.